In this guide, I'll show you how to see when someone was last online in Roblox. So it's nice and straightforward. Just head over to an internet browser like Google Chrome and head over to google.com. From the search engine, you just need to type in RoGold and hit enter. Then head over to this first search result here. This is an extension for Roblox. Now it's completely safe and free to use. Just go ahead and press add to Chrome. Click on add extension. Now this is available for pretty much all internet browsers. The only browser it's not compatible for is Firefox, but if you have any other browser, then this will work absolutely fine. So with this extension now added, head over to the roblox.com website, and as you can see, the interface now looks slightly different. Head over to the friend that you want to check their last activity, come down to view profile, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and as you can see right here, we now have this new section, last online, and as you can see right here, this particular friend was last online 6 minutes ago. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.